Probably the most common question I get from beginners and intermediate alike is how to start wholesaling. I understand it because there's so much information to the extent of paralysis by analysis. So in this lesson, it's all about getting you off to the race and how to do it in 11 days. Back in 2004 or 2005, I paid $3,000 for the first seminar I attended on real estate. I walked away with a nice fancy binder with a bunch of useless information I would never need to actually make money. By the way, I just happened to be lucky enough to pay $3,000. I know many people that paid upwards of $35,000 for these seminars. In my opinion, it is still worth it if you follow through. It wasn't until years later that I read a book called One Thing by Gary Keller. What is that first one step to start wholesaling right now? My name is Ola and I'm the author of two books, Smart Real Estate Wholesaling and Real Estate Money Secrets, which you can download absolutely for free at www.smartrealestatewholesaling.com. I'm also the creator of myEmpirePRO, an 11 days challenge quick start guide, which you can access at www.11dayschallenge.com. I can share the first step with you, which is to take a free trial of www.empirebigdata.com to access 100 million property data, which includes pre-foreclosure and lease pendings, vacant properties, failed listings, and many more. But I also want to share a complete checklist to follow to be up and running in 11 days. Day 1. I wanted you to take a few minutes to review the 3 core pillars of flipping houses nationwide and the 5 milestone stages of real estate investing. They are fully explained in the 2 books you get to download for free at www.smartrealestatewholesaling.com. This is how to set a solid foundation for the business you want to build. By the way, we take you through this step by step in the 11 days challenge, which you can access by first going through our 3 hours free masterclass at www.11dayschallenge.com. Day 2. I want you to pick your target market, city, county, and state in the United States to flip houses. There is a process and method to this. Not all markets are created equal. Day 3. This is the moment to enter stage 1 of 5, which is also about accessing data of potentially distressed properties. I want you to collect the best 100 properties that are pre-foreclosures but also vacant on your list to target with your outreach campaign. There are 100 plus million property records at www.empirebigdata.com. Day 4. It's time to enter stage 2, which is also about contacting the owners of the 100 properties you collected on your list. On day 3, I want you to send a postcard every week for the next 4 weeks to these property owners, simply offering to buy their houses. Keep it simple. The postcard should say, I buy houses. Contact me at 732-555-1212. If you're like me, you wouldn't want to or have time to be doing this manually because you understand leverage as key to successful business. Again, to automate the whole process, you can check out www.empirebigdata.com for a free trial. Let's call that the first touch. Day 5. You will also be able to skip trace using the same software to find their phone numbers and send them a text message with an offer to buy as a second touch. Day 6. Using the same process from day 5, the software can generate the email list of these potential distressed homeowners. Day 7. I want you to set up a 52 weeks automatic email follow-up marketing. In the next lesson, I cover email marketing strategy with a little more details using an autoresponder tool that you can try for free at www.autoemailing.com. To increase the chances of getting notified about that video dramatically, smash that like button, subscribe, and share the video with someone you know looking for it. Day 8. It is now time for you to send a second SMS text messaging outreach to the same list you've pulled on the 3rd day. Day 9. Now I want you to start preparing for the possibility of using Facebook and Instagram ads to generate motivated seller leads. When you're done with this, I want you to search Ola Talks Abitogun Facebook ads for investors on YouTube or Google for more information about that. Day number 10. If you did everything right from day 1 to 9 and keep the campaigns going consistently, leads will be generated and some of these leads will be motivated seller leads. This is stage 3 of 5. Leads. Most people who attempt wholesaling will never get to that stage. In our 11 days challenge coaching program, we've added an 11-point follow-up consult and pre-qualification property analysis and offer generator. But also on the next video, which is is absolutely free. I've laid out a 5-question script that you can use to pre-qualify your generated leads successfully into contracts. I've also created a tool at www.dealestimator.com for free as a maximum allowable offer generator. Day number 11. On this 11th day and henceforth, you can start creating and sending out offer reports, more property analysis, writing and sending out contracts. I want you to also set up partnerships as need for more cash buyers arises for the contracts you are generating, sorting your cash buyers list, pre-qualifying cash buyers and creating EMD arbitrage profit. Congratulations, you're now on stage 5, which is deal disposition, and you can start cashing out profits that can range from $1,000 to $82,000 based on my personal experience. The main lesson, as you can see, you can start wholesaling in 11 days up and running with a motivated seller leads generating machine. We've got 1,000 plus free videos on this channel on this topic of wholesaling real estate. On the channel homepage is a free wholesale real estate course to get you going. Let's get started with the next video on the screen right now.